guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny and I'm back with another video. So today y'all, I'm coming at y'all with another one of my 4-minute reviews. And if y'all have been watching me for a while, then you know way back when I used to do these really quick 4-minute reviews on new products that were sent to me, and I'm back with another freaking video. So guys, I am here today and I wanted to share with you guys a product that was sent to me by a young woman by the name of Clarissa. This is the product, y'all. She sent me her hair growth oil / serum, and it's bomb, y'all. So she sent me this hair growth serum, and it comes in a dark blue bottle, which is so good because if you do know anything about hair products or natural hair products, you know that storing them or packaging them in a darker bottle preserves their lifespan. So I was so excited to see that, and glass is also good to have products in. So this is what it looks like. Again, it is just a small blue bottle with a twist top, and I really like it. This bottle is 30 milliliters, so that's a pretty good size because you don't have to use that much. So basically this is a hair growth serum, and I do have some footage of me applying this to my scalp after I first washed it, because the best way to use this product is to use it after you've freshly washed your hair and about to deep condition. So that's exactly how I use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and either put the clip over me talking or put it over here, over there, not sure yet, but y'all will be seeing me apply this product to my scalp. And this product is really good, y'all. It kind of reminds me of like a tea tree oil because it does tingle when it hits your scalp. So if you use this product and you feel it tingling, it's working, honey, because that's what it does. And I really like it because it's kind of like a thick oil, but not too thick, and it's not too watery, it's not too loose. It's kind of the perfect consistency. Again, a young woman by the name of Clarissa did send me this product. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box, how you can purchase the product, find more out about the product, and the pricing of the product. I'll list it all below. I have been using it for about 2 months now. I want to say maybe a month and a half, almost 2 months, and I do see a difference. My difference is I'm seeing less dandruff and less issues with my scalp because I do have a flaky scalp, and I've been looking for things to kind of alleviate that dandruff and kind of help me out with that. So I think that this product has definitely helped out, so I'm super excited about that. That's why I keep using it. And I've had this product, but y'all know me, I kind of like to try a product for a while to see if it actually works, to see if it's actually something that I would recommend, because just because people send me things, I don't just do a review on them. I have to try them out and see. But this product, this hair growth serum that Clarissa sent me, was bomb and is bomb. I'm rocking my wig right now, y'all. I'm in love with this wig, but when I do wear my hair out, I definitely can see less dandruff. So yeah, I just wanted to come to y'all with a quick review about this hair serum, and I'll leave everything in the description box below, and I'll also roll a clip one more time to see how simple it is to apply this product. And yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring you another 4-minute review, sharing with you guys this hair growth serum that was sent to me, and I love it. If y'all want to try it, go in the description box right now, click the link, and tell her I sent you. All right, guys, see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so we are almost finished detangling and deep conditioning my hair, but I wanted to share